I'm Austin McKee from McKee Guitars, and I'm going to do a multiple part video on building a custom acoustic guitar. Right here you see the wood for the braces. This is my brace stock here. It's a spruce, and I cut it out in the pieces I need on the bandsaw. You can see I already got some cut out here. This would be for the top braces. Here's a shoulder brace. These are going to be ladder braces on the back. And then what I'll do is I'll take this plane here, and I'll take them down to the thickness that I want them, and plus it cleans up the saw marks a little bit. And then I'll put a radius on the bottom of them, and I'll show you how that's done a little bit here. It'll be a little jig set up to put the radius on the bottom of it. The back has a 20-foot radius and the top has a 30-foot radius. And ever since I went to a 30-foot radius, I've been having much better results with the tone from the top, so I've been sticking with that. So I'll show you next, once I get these planed, the jig that's used to sand the radius on the bottom of them. This is a jig here that's going to put the radius on the bottom of the brace. I have the shape on the edge there, and the spindle sander here has a flush bearing right here, so it'll just ride along the edge there of the pattern, and it will sand the radius into the bottom of the brace. I have a blueprint up here on the wall of the braces and the radius that's put into them, that's transferred to the jig there. So that's the next step, and after you plane the brace stock down to the thickness you want for the top and back, and then you sand the radius to the bottom of the brace, and when you glue that to the top, it will form to that radius that you want. And we can go a little more in detail about the radiuses when we get further along in the build, but you can subscribe to my YouTube page or YouTube channel. It's McKee Guitars and Guns, and you'll be able to see the multiple part series of the guitar building process of an acoustic guitar. And you can even check me out on Facebook at McKee Guitars on Facebook, and my website is McKeeGuitars.com, and if you need the spelling of it, I'll put it in the description box. So just keep checking back. If you subscribe to my channel, they'll probably update you that I post a new video, and you get to see the next step of the acoustic guitar build.